You are invited to my rice. My bum paid the dad. I have conquered the system on close view. I'm not using coke or fan. No, I some why it's soft with the beef and everything. The fry cafe. Keep watching Hilda's Kitchen YouTube channel. No more bunny today. Ban bubble official. Hey, busiafo. Hey, beef, no sister. Or she name. Christmas jollof nana ya starts in a baby. Walla shazna chazi. If you want to know how this beautiful jollof rice is being made without blender, we didn't blend anything. Yes, everything is natural, sister. Don't skip through the video. We're gonna man solim fido. We phone naked and don't drop it. Don't skip through it. Hey, sister, kindly let's do it together. And namaze. Maybe phone a match. Sister. Keep watching Hilda's Kitchen and don't forget to eat a lot of vegetables. I don't know why my Hilda's Kitchen ebusia. Yeah, try 14 and still I see and why I'm out for today. Why 25 years? Sure, yeah, pong with chum the dad. On ya gonna yes. It's banana. I always say a talent. Senyami and fan domoa and win soon poor sister. Or best.
Hilda's Kitchen. Oh yeah, good food, Hilda's Kitchen. Oh yeah, Divan Papa. Good food, Hilda's Kitchen. Oh yeah, Divan Papa. Oh yeah, good food, Hilda's Kitchen. Oh yeah,
chili powder.
Good food, Hilda's Kitchen. Oh yeah, Divan Papa. Oh yeah, good food, Hilda's Kitchen.
So guys, after 5 minutes, I'm going to add turmeric and paprika. I just want that, make sure look kakra. I need to cook it for another 3 minutes before I'll add my tomatoes. So don't skip through the video and kindly share. As you can see, maybe if you know say one and then one pair or record. So guys, after 10 minutes on a very medium heat, can add our tomatoes.
Good food made in clean environments.
I'm not going to use any tomato puree today, no. And I still want to get a very nice, tasty, beautiful jollof rice. So stay tuned. It's Christmas. Christmas is their whole. Sometimes unexpectedly they are here. This is one of the easiest way for you to get your perfect jollof for your guests, okay, without any blender. I'm going to cover this. This is dry rosemary and some thyme to give that rosemary flavor. So I'm now going to steam my beef. So this is onion basically. I'm not going to add a lot of stuff, just simple but at the same time very yummy. I'll add some salt, water to boil. I'll add a bit so I can use that, the liquid to cook my jollof rice. But baby, after 30 minutes and over now. Before you can tell the no moon soon nso no nyinaa wafim na ehwɛ mu stove no do so ehwɛ why now I'm adding my beef stock or don't hey beef when you're ready cry sister make what let me take you out going to fry the so main fun to cry so if I'm now adding hot water before I'll add my rice. I'm adding chicken Remy seasoning. I love it. Make sure you taste it before, as you know, I added some salt to the beef when I was steaming it. So I've added beef stock to the stew and added some water as well. So make sure you taste it before you add any more salt. Yes, orokodo. I think it's perfect now. I'm going to add my rice. Oh yezi bana papo orokodo lali orokodo wala shahanso asam na seriously fun
good food Hilda's kitchen oh yeah good food Hilda's kitchen
rosemary do why no shy crunch
Hilda's kitchen oh yeah good food Hilda's kitchen oh yeah ziban papa good food Hilda's kitchen oh yeah ziban papa oh yeah good food Hilda's kitchen oh yeah ziban papa good food Hilda's kitchen oh yeah ziban papa oh yeah good food
in your ability jollof pan with fried beef easy. You were fun. Merry Christmas. One to them suffering happy Easter. Call it party simple jollof. Sister, name it, you just give it to it. You don't need any blender. But look at how the jollof rice turns up. Very delicious and fantabulous. That's some beef phenomena. I think I've got enough water, so take your time when you are cooking jollof rice, okay, on your ration. I could tell the nsuma, so I will just allow it a bit more. Papa, no, the way you shake. Give me the thumbs up and don't forget to share, like, and subscribe if you are yet to do so. More carrots, Madam Arifa. It's good. 1, 2, 3. Way! Papa. Naya konzo. Sister, pocho. Near some and eat it. It was a mono. Your oil filmed oil in my mono way you cry at the same time. So no, I'm going to come up. Shonko Kwanamana, the Alphonse from Kokwanam. Hey, beef na guy. Oh, but today, sir. Kindly share this video to all your contacts. If you see, I say, give me the thumbs up, share, and like as well. Namon bonji today.